benefit of our fill mouth here, we have the ability to look at a spatula, kind of feel the product, see if it's ready to incorporate that air. We're really starting to freeze over. How I kind of look at it is, you see that there's just a layer of moisture around the front edge of the ice cream. I want it to get a little bit colder so it holds that form when I go up, and it's getting there. So we've dried up to the point now where I'm actually ready to accept some air. So I'm going to turn my refrigeration off. See, our compressor light goes down, and we're freezing up. While the dasher's whipping, it's still turning that ice cream, and it's folding in air. So you'll actually start to see this mushroom of cake batter ice cream start to expand, because the air is adding volume to the ice cream. And when I think we've expanded enough, we'll run about 30-45 seconds, we're ready to take the product out. Another nice feature of our machine is we can adjust how much product's coming out at any time. All right? Now we have beautiful cake batter ice cream. I'm actually going to throw some cake batter pieces into it and fold them in as the ice cream's coming out. Then I'm going to fill my gaps. I want to be sure to fold this product in without pushing air out. So you kind of see I'm being very gentle. Not going to be rough. I'm going to make sure I kind of push the rest of that product in. I want to get it all.
Rob, why don't we just dump the whole thing in? Why do you put it little by little?
Because I want it to be dispersed evenly through every level. It's very important that at the end of the tub has the same amount of birthday cake pieces as the top of the tub. So I'm just going to run a little bit more off. I shut my dasher, extrude the rest of my product. I'm going to level it out. And then what I like to do is I always finish with some pieces on the top. Finish it off, and voila, cake batter with birthday cake pieces. Beautiful part of our batch machine is when you're done extruding the product, look how clean that dasher is. All the product is being extruded by our dasher into our tub, so we have nothing left over, and that helps in a couple ways. It actually helps in the yield you're getting in your tub, and it also helps in the cleaning process as we go from flavor to flavor and batch to batch. Best part about making your own ice cream is tasting the ice cream after it's done. This is a necessary step because you want to make sure the ice cream's good and everything tastes well, and it also is, the benefit to when you make your own ice cream, you get to eat it.